Hello everyone, my name is Jack Nolly C. Panugan and this is my adaptive lesson plan for blind and visually impaired students in third quarter science grade 3. This is the PLOPS or what we call present level of performance. So, in the class of grade 3 kindness produced with 20 learners, 15 regular students, and 5 blind students, which is Ray Suico, Mikey Maybano, Mike Tumayaw, Kevin Neri, and Rizzy Balog, are able to define force, and they are able to work cooperatively in a group. These are my objectives. So, at the end of the 60-minute period, the learners will be able to A. Describe the position of a person or an object in relation to a reference point, and B. Determine an object as a reference point. And then, moving on to my subject matter. So, my topic is motion of objects. And the skills that the students will be able to acquire are describing, determining, and observing. And this is my reference. I found it online and the curriculum code. And the materials that are going to be used are visual aids, meter stick, toy car, and any other materials in the classroom, such as chairs and tables. And then the procedure. So, first is a little review. The teacher will ask questions about the past discussion, and then motivation. The motivation will be related to the upcoming discussion. So, the teacher will instruct students to get two pieces of paper and roll it up. Then get it aligned with each other and push the other one. And then the teacher will ask questions about what they have observed. And my accommodations for the VI students are the teacher will let them participate and creates a seating arrangement that, that they are in front of the class so that they can listen clearly and have a, have an have a student that will assist with them to the activity. And then the lesson proper. So in the discussion, the teacher will present the lesson, discussion, and group activities using visual aids, toys, meter stick, and materials in the classroom. The teacher will explain first distance, then direction, and then reference point, and then motion, and conducting activities, practice, and drills using learner-centered methods. And then in the accommodation, the teacher will discuss audibly in front and explain distance, direction, reference point, and motion with the sense of touch, and then provides a self-designed instructional materials. Moving to the generalization. So in the generalization, the teacher will provide a picture and an instructional materials that can be touched, and then pose a question so that students and the VI students can recall the discussion. And then the evaluation. So my evaluation is just a test, a multiple choice, and true or false. And then the assignment. The direction. Later on your way home, list 5 reference points that describes your change of position and draw it at your home. And for the visually impaired students, list 5 reference points that you have touched You can use your slate and stylus for the description. And then moving on to the instructional materials. The teacher will provide visual aids, toys, meter stick, and a self-designed cardboard that illustrates indicators to determine and describe distance, direction, and the reference point. Whether it is north, south, east, west, near, far, or very far. And this is my finished product. So through this, as we can see in the picture, there is north, south, east, and west. Through this, the visually impaired students can, can determine the reference point, the distance, and the direction by the sense of touch, whether it is north, south, east, and west. And on the other, they can determine whether it is near, far, or very far with the given dots. So that's all. Thank you for watching.